Yo, what's good, everyone? I had to cut the intro short because it was too long. Basically, I posted this. Now I have to make some tutorials based on the suggestions given to me by my subscribers. On how to talk to women. I'm glad that you asked this one because this is one of the hardest tasks in the world. So I'm gonna go with this one first. Talking to women is quite simple. You wanna start off with something smooth, something like, "Hello, woman." Nah, actually, scratch that. Talking to women is just like talking to one of your bros. So this is how it will probably go. Imagine you're talking to one of your bros. "Hey, baby, how's it going?" The next one says how to listen to WAP alone in the car. Basically, this is what you should do. Alright, all you need to do is observe the area, make sure that no one's watching you, make sure that you're alone, because this is quite an embarrassing activity. I kinda did this part of the tutorial before. Tutorial is such a weird name, but whatever. So first of all, just make sure the volume is lowered or on mute, and then you can start jamming. Yeah. This next one says how to deal with rejection. In brackets, I'm asking for a friend. Well, friend, I'll gladly help you out because I'm an expert at this one. I've been rejected so many times that you were probably expecting me to say something funny, but if you want to deal with rejection, this is what you should do. To deal with rejection is quite simple. All you need to do is just cry yourself to sleep. That way the pain can end and then you can go back to getting rejected again. This one says, teach us how to be cool. How bold of you to think that this could be taught. You're born with it. And quite frankly, I don't think anyone could ever be as cool as me, not even Elon Musk. This one says, how to open a door. I have no clue where to start on that one. This is a very common problem, so I'll show you how to do it. Opening a door is quite simple. It's like almost getting caught watching hentai, so you want to open a new tab as quick as you can. You do the same with a door. You open it as quick as you can. Freaking speedrun it if you can. First thing you need to do is just sanitize your hands. I tried to speedrun it, but I think my attempt wasn't good enough, so I need to up my game. This next one says how to greet someone while walking opposite ways in a long hallway. How's it going? This one says how to listen to mumble rappers without crying. Bro, I think we should criticize them a little bit less, but I will show you the tutorial. Basically, if you want to listen to a mumble rapper without cringing, that's if you don't like mumble rap. Basically, the first thing you want to do is play the song, but hit the mute button. You won't cringe. This one's probably not a tutorial, but basically this person is asking, I want a documentary on how you became black and what was the transformation like. For sure, I will do that for you. The next one says, how to be as smart as Aid. I'm sorry to burst your bubble, but scientists have found that this one is impossible. So I'm really sorry about that one. This next one says, how to make friends in real life. There's actually a cheat to this one. You can just pay your uncle to act like a friend, and then people think that you have friends. I think that's enough tutorials for this video. Basically, I want to make this a series. I hope you like it, and add some more suggestions. For those who didn't make the video, I'm sorry. I probably will make another video. This is just part 1.